Hello everybody, it is I, holy shit no, it is I, Ninyoy, and welcome to Hatoful Boyfriend. Oh, this is gonna be one of those games. It's a game made by Devolver, and it's really weird to me the fuck out, but let's go. Please enter your name. I'm gonna be Ninjan. Why not? I think so. Display human portrait. Sure, why not? Okay. St. Pigeon Nation's a school blitz with extensive curricula and facilities. It's already been a year since I ended my ordinary life and walked through these gates. I should probably say this school is known for one thing in particular. This school is Japan's, no, the world's greatest gathering place for gifted birds? Birds who want to study the arts, the science, even sports all come to St. Pigeon Nations. The teaching staff and student body are both made up of a diverse blend of birds and different backgrounds and species. I'm often asked why I chose to come here, despite not being a bird. It's a long story. Not every day I see you rushing along like this. Ryuta! Usually, you'd have been ready for an hour by now, Ninjan. Overslept? This rock dove named Kawari Ryuta. We've been friends since he was barely hatched. He can be a little mischievous, but he's responsible and kind. Breakfast was a little hard to catch today. I can't relax without red meat inside me. Living as a hunter-gatherer sounds tough. I'd be happy to make you breakfast, you know. I might take you up on that offer when starvation looms. Thanks, Ryuta. Oh, the bell already? Come on, we need to hurry to class. Jeepers. Not good being late on the first day. And so Ryuta pulled me along into the school. They had started a new semester. I wonder what lies in store. It was all I could do to adjust to the atmosphere last year. Better make up for all of that lost fun. Greatest academy of the pigeon. By the pigeon and for the pigeon. What? Okay, let's go. I think we're in 2-3. Ryuta and I are in the same class again. Old faces, new faces, a strange thrill fills my heart as I look around at the assembled birds. Hope we all get along. Here's to the formation of many happy memories. Oh, the teacher's here. Good morning, everybody. I'm Nanaki Kazuaki. I seem to be your teacher this year. I specialize in math and physics, and also some other things. Sir, wake up! It's homeroom! He sleeps with his eyes open? This quail is named Nanaki Kazuaki. He's a famously soporific math professor. I'd heard a rumor, but I hadn't expected him to fall asleep just like that. Apparently, he's well known as a mathematician. Just go to show, great minds come in all forms. I'm sorry. It's a little warm in here. Which reminds me, we have a transfer student. Please introduce yourself, Shirogane. What is the point? I have no wish to speak with commoners. Do not think I'm here because I wish to be. Oh well, I guess that's that.
Denied.
Hey! That's no good. but he doesn't want to introduce himself. But we can't just let him break the rules like that, sir. But we can't just let him break the rules like that, sir. Oh no, that voice hurts. The system will collapse and we'll all turn into kulaks and dissenters. Well, when you put it like that, could you at least say your name, Shirogane? Shirogane Lebel Sakuya. It seems this fantail Shirogane Sakuya. His feathers would make any birdie proud. He's pretty stuck up, but then transferring in is never easy. Oh, we can be friends. Sakuya sits down, glaring daggers at Ryuta and me. I think this little bird is telling me there is going to be trouble down the line. Lunch already! Time is slipping by so quickly. That reminds me, I had these books out from the library all summer. I'll return them now. Where is everybody? Aside from the receptionist, there's hardly any birdie here. Ah! Is someone looking at me? Probably just my imagination. Or not. A mourning dove stands in a dark corner staring in my direction. Mourning doves aren't very common in Japan, but apparently they're everywhere in America. Did you want something from me? He looked away. Not really. I'm pretty sure it was him who I felt looking at me. There's no one else here. Are you sure? Yes, I don't want anything with you. It's the things you're carrying that I'm interested in. He glances at the desk to say, hurry up and return them already. Oh, sorry. These were a little too dense and I never finished them. Were you waiting for them all summer? He silently returns his gaze to his book. Maybe he's in a bad mood. I'm Tengan Ninja, a sophomore. What about you? You're Nagaki. Fujishiro Nagaki. A freshman. Fujishiro Nagaki, huh? Morning doves are pretty rare in Japan. Maybe it's just his voice, but he seemed kinda sad. Leave me alone. He's reading his book again. Okay, sorry to bother you. I keep meeting depressing people today. Now that I have that out of the way, I think I'll head back to class. Wait! Isn't that? You should have been instructed not to approach me in school. Come on, Sakuya. What kind of a thing is that to say to your own brother? After all these years? My brother? You must be joking. You've never once been a brother to me. Please, don't try to talk to me again. I've no time for half-breeds. I'll be going now. Hey, wait just a... I guess even if we're in the same school now, what's done is done. I hadn't meant to eavesdrop, but I think I just overheard something juicy. The ever-popular trendsetter and ladies' man Sakazaki Yuya is Sakuya's brother? I don't know what the story behind that is. Hey! Uh-oh. You heard the whole thing, right? Are you a friend of Sakuya's? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to listen in on you. No sweat. I try to stay sexy and suave in front of all you little ladies, but that there wasn't too cool. This fantail pigeon is Sakuya Yuya, an upperclassman. I never talked to him before, but he's famous or infamous throughout the school. Everybody knows of him. You're Ninchan, right? How do you know? I know everybody here. Besides, you're the only human. A single poppy in a field of rye. Did you say you were friends with Sakuya? Not exactly. We had a rather ballistic introduction this morning. We're in the same class, that's it. I'd never have thought that stuck-up aristocrat wannabe was your brother. Aristocrat wannabe? He is an aristocrat, actually. The genuine article, in the flesh. He is? He's a bit of a pain, so good luck, mon ami. Adieu. Really is a noble bird. I never heard anything like that about Yuya, though. Probably a twisty business. That's all for today. Stay safe, everyone. Yay! Hi! Sir, wherever Yuta? He said he was going to the infirmary. Maybe we should go and see if he's still there. Excuse me. Now that I think about it, Ryuta always did have a weak stomach. I should go to the infirmary just to make sure he's alright. Excuse me? Huh? Nobody is here? There's no one sleeping behind the curtains, and the doctor isn't here either. My hunter-gatherer instincts feels no presence. There's nobody here. Ryuta? No reply. The infirmary is empty. Weird. Did he go home already? I feel a little nervous poking around the empty room. Now that I think of it, I haven't been in here much before, and like Ryuta, I'm pretty healthy. Whoa! They got all kinds of drugs in here. Ethiopar, Trife, Luciobenzene. What did these even do? Care to find out?
Oh, fuck.
Doctor! I'll feed you all sorts of things if you want. No, thank you. This partridge is Iwamine Shu, the school doctor. He's rather creepy in person and has a bird reputation among the student body. What the fuck is up with this creepy ass music though? Everybody knows that even just talking to him can bring you down with abscillus, pisticosis, or even worse things. And I never even heard him come in the door. Ninja Doctor! You don't look like you have a good reason to be here. Did you need something? I heard Ryuta Kawara from 2-3 was supposed to be here? Him? He's already gone. Oh. Why didn't he come find me before going home? Sorry to bother you. I'll be going now. Finally, I had den of evil. Well. Oh, no. I never got around to joining the club last year. Maybe I'll go take a look at some of my options. Well, I'll continue this next time. Alright, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe, please. Ninja!